Can I have a look?
Beretta.
Would you like a blueberry? I'm going to call it the Great Wall of Poland. Krakow, Poland, where the alcohol is obviously pretty cheap. I'm going to take you for a walk. We're probably going to avoid the full touristy areas because, you know, we'll go find something interesting. I want to find some new sunnies, maybe a satchel bag. Let's do it. Nice work, buddy. I'm going to try to see if I can find some kind of market or something like that. I don't know if they've got them here. I still don't know how to cross the roads here. Because we drive on the other side of the road, I'm always checking. Yep, this guy stopped, thank you. Always checking the wrong ways. So confused where to go. It looks like they've removed the footpath, so I'm just gonna have to come up with something else. Hey! 400 meters. It's so far. All right, thank you.
5 minutes.
Oh, all right, thanks. Bloody hell. 400 meters. No, it's all right. I'll just have to do it. It's all, it's good to get fit, I guess, but I just walked that way, so turning back, it's weird. I thought they would have ATMs like right outside the market. All right, I made it straight away. Bags and sunnies. Oh. Full old school. Oh, pepper spray. Look at this shit you can buy. This is so cool. Oh, I'm not sorry, I'm not taking that. I'm just going to have a look. What is it? Pepper spray. Say hello.
What is it?
It's a camera.
Ah.
I show everyone your shop.
Kamera, nie ma.
What have you got to show us?
You speak me Polish?
I can't speak Polish. What would you do with this?
This.
Give a demonstration? And you punch someone?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Are these real? BB gun.
This. Small. This.
Oh, this one?
This. Oh.
Can I have a look?
Beretta. Nie dotykamy.
Sorry. Okay.
Nie dotykamy.
Okay. I want Nike. You know what? I'm just gonna get some fruit because I've been eating some pretty bad stuff recently, and I think that I definitely need to get some fresh fruit into me. So, what do you reckon? Let's have a look. Dzień dobry. Smaller? Smaller? Yeah.
Ile?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Thank you.
Tyle? Free złoty.
Thank you, my friend. Here we go. Here we go. This looks pretty good. Are these washed?
Yes.
Yeah. Washed over there? They are washed. Ready to eat. All right, I'm going to give like a 100% honest review of what they taste like. I'm comparing them to Australian ones. Take these off. Okay. Exactly the same, which is good. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. Ja
Would-
zabrałam ten ser, bo za gorąco.
Would you like a
Nie,
blueberry?
dziękuję bardzo. Nie mam.
Okay. Can't even give them away, but they're pretty good. So,
Za gorąco.
do you like stuff? So, I'm looking around, I can't seem to find a shopping centre anywhere. There's markets, and I don't want to go back there where that guy took the gun off me, because word's probably got out. They're probably looking for me, but probably not. But yeah, I do need to find a shopping centre, because I did say that I was going to get a satchel and some sunnies, and I just don't know where to go. Hey buddy, shopping centre?
Shopping center. Shopping center is you must go this.
Oh, I was looking for the one over
and-
this way.
This way.
Yeah.
Yes. Shopping center is this way and the next right.
Okay, yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay. yes.
Thank you
My
so
speaking-
much.
My speaking is not very well.
No, it's good. It's perfect. Well, not perfect, but it's pretty good.
Maybe 50, 100, 1,000,
50,
2,000 meters.
2,000.
And right.
Okay,
And
thank you.
maybe-
2,000 meters and then right. I don't know if that is correct, but we'll head this way anyway. Actually, that's it there, isn't it? It's like 50 meters. So I finally found it, and check out this. I was gonna chuck this rubbish here in the bin. Wait a minute, not a bin, a collection point for lids. Have a look. They're really into their recycling and all that here, which I think is pretty good. Never seen something like that before. Not having any luck in here, hey. And this place is pretty deserted, which is probably a sign that it's really expensive. I don't even know where to look. It's not even the kind of place I really want to be going to. Like, I'd rather just find one of those markets. But there's a couple in the area, they all seem to be shut because of the weekend. Because it's not the weekend. So I have a boarded mission today. Gonna have to find some sunnies and a satchel another day for another video, because I really do want to go to one of these markets. I do like those places a lot better. It's more interesting content. But yeah, I'm completely lost now because I've left at a different exit and I've got no idea where I'm going. I know Google Maps is a thing, but oh, what? I've just found a cemetery. Let's go scope it out. Oh, so good. Right, we're gonna try to get in. We're gonna go ask this guy. Dzień dobry. Can I go in? Go around? Right, I have to go around. I have been walking around this wall now for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna call it the Great Wall of Poland. But on the other side, that's where the cemetery is, so I'm not going to give up. We're going to try to get in there. And we have made it. Wow. I know it might be a weird thing to say, but I find these old cemeteries oddly beautiful. There's just a real beauty about them.
The drivers are going to mass.
So I'll probably leave this video here, but I've gone off the beaten track a little bit, and check out this place I found. It's like a full-on genuine Polish pub. No tourists. Dzień dobry. Thank you. I know I said I was being healthy today, but you know, I had to check this place out. Dobre. Cheers. Hey.